Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a VPN connection on your ChromeOS Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher icon down in the bottom left, and then select the Settings gear button. On the left panel, select Network underneath Settings, and then on the right side, you want to select where it says Add Connection. Select Add Built-in VPN, and then enter in that necessary information here. Select Connect to save it, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.